Hi friends, welcome to my channel Techie Girish or GE Agra. GE Agra means Google Educators Group. So as I am the trainer of Google, and that is why this name I have selected for my channel. So on this channel you will find multiple videos on different educational topics. So in the same series of the education topics, so I have selected that I am going to create a project for the students of 12th class of CBSE Informatics Practices. All right, and to create a project, I have to select one of the platforms. This may be Python ideally, or Jupyter Notebook, or Spider, or Google Collaboratory. So I have selected Google Collaboratory, and this is the reason why I have selected Google Collaboratory. The reason is that if I create the code in Google Collaboratory or Colab Notebook, this code can be shared with my students very easily, so that in real time, if they want to work with me, they can do this. So how to start Collaboratory? For that, I'll have to write. So first I am checking to you to the window or Chrome window. So here this is a Chrome window, and in the browser window I'll write on the address bar I'll write collab dot research dot google dot com. So this is the URL. So as soon as I click the URL in the address bar, it shows this window. Welcome to Colab, and open notebook. What do you want? You want to open the notebook. So recent notebooks you want to load from the Google Drive or GitHub, upload from your system. So I'm not going to upload the program from my system. I'm not going to load the program from GitHub, and I'm not going to load the program from Google Drive also. So this is the layout, and if I want to create a new program, I can click on new notebook. And over here, if you see the first program is welcome to Collab. So there is more about Collab notebook, so we can discuss this also. And here there are some programs you will see. So if I click any one of the programs, so this is in the form of the hyperlink. So if I click the program opens in the Collab notebook, one of the cells of the notebook. All right, so I'm not going to open any program here, rather I'm going to create a new program here. This is new notebook. So here I'll click the new notebook. So it takes time to load. For that, internet speed should be proper. So as soon as I say or click on new notebook, so the interface comes or appears with untitled 68.ipynb. So untitled means since you have created a new program, new notebook, so that is why initially by default the notebook name is untitled followed by the number. Okay, so there are 67 untitled notebooks in the Google Drive. So here I'm going to give a new name of this program. Say, if I say first program dot ipynb. Ipynb means I for internet, py means Python, and nb for notebook. All right, so this is the prominent name of this program. And in addition to this program name, you'll see a menu bar, file added, as in other software programs. We used to see this kind of menu bar. So file, edit, view, insert, runtime, tools, and help. So this is the menu bar of Collab notebook. And in the right of this interface, you'll see share. It is just like if you want to share this coding with your students or the some person which you want to, you can click here and it will give you um, a window where you can give the email ID of that person whom you want to share this coding. All right. So I click this share. So this window appears, and here you will have to give the name of the person, for example, this. And over here, you'll have to give the rights, whether you want to give the coding for with view right or the commenter right or the editor right. And in addition to that, it also gives an option add expiration. So when this schedules the time of expiration of this code from the recipient side. And here I can give a message so that the person will be notified that I have shared a program with him or her. And after that, I can click on the send button. All right. So this time I'm not going to share anything because this notebook is empty. Now this is the entire interface. Here I can write the program, and over here if you see below the menu bar, so here the command, code, text, and run all. So this is about the command which you are going to give. Code, where you can write the program. The text, where you can write the text supporting text to this program. Run, to run all the cells or selective cells which you want to run. And in the left pane, if you see here, so here are some options which I'll discuss later. And this time the first program which I am going to write here is simple program, that is hello world. Okay, so I'll write print hello world. So this is my code, and if I want to add more lines, I simply click enter key, and again write the line. This is my first program in Google Colab. So the code is written. Now this is time to run this program. Before that, I want to tell you that I have to connect with the server, connect, and click on this connect. So it starts connecting to the server. So once it is connected, it shows. So it is using how much RAM? Using connected to Python 3 computer engine backend. RAM, it is using 0.98 GB oblique 12.67 GB, and disk, it will use 39.43 GB or 107.72. So this is the whole, and out of this it is using this much. All right. So once this is connected, RAM is provided and disk space is also provided. I mean, a space is provided where the program is being saved. All right. Now this is time to run this program. So either you run this program clicking this play button, or simply press Ctrl and Enter. So whatever is written in this cell will be executed. So if I click on the play button like this, so it gives you the output, and from here I can clear the output also. And again, so since the program is written in the cell, I'll press Ctrl and Enter. This also gives me the output. So this way I can create the program in Colab. And if I go to Drive, Google Drive, if I open Drive, drive.google.com, you see this is a program. And over here, if you see, this is the Colab notebooks. So this is a folder. It is automatically created by the Colab node. So here, this way I can create multiple programs, and all the programs will be saved in the folder Colab notebooks in my drive of Google Drive. All right. So, and the most important thing which is surprising, that you don't have to save this program. Like if you write the program in Colab, Python, ideally you will have to save that program, unless unless you save this program, the program will not be executed. So first is ask that save this program, then it runs the program or executes the program. But in Colab notebook, it automatically saves the program in Google Drive, or you can say notebook folder, Colab notebook folder. And next time when you open this program is fetched from that drive only, or the folder only, and you can continue or resume your program. So this is how we can say this is the platform where I'll create my program. So how is this? So I suggest that you should also work with uh, Google Colab notebook. So we'll meet in the next video with the next program, or next sort of program, or the I'll resume this program in my next video.